Hi, this is Erin Martolio with the Contract Management Company, and I'm going to show you a few of the administrator basics in using Supplier Pro 3.0. When you log into Supplier Pro, you'll see a list of menu items on the left. You can see that Contract Files is highlighted in orange, and that's the screen we're on right now. In the list, I can see all of the contracts that I have set up. I can click on the titles of the columns to sort them by that particular item. I can also click in the search box to do a search for a particular contract. Now I'm going to show you how to set up a new contract. I've clicked Create New Contract on the Contract Files screen, and I can see it's created a new contract ID number for my contract. I'm going to click in the name box and enter in a name for this contract. It's just going to be a demo contract for this particular purpose. It's also a good idea sometimes to enter the supplier name or an abbreviation just so you can easily find it. I'm going to click in the type box, and this would be the type of work. In this case, I'm going to say that it's a construction contract. I'm going to select the status as an active contract, and I can see that it's already filled in my name and the date. Now I'm going to click on the open date and fill in the start date of the contract. And then in the close date field, I'm going to put the ending date of the contract. We'll say this is a 1-year contract. Below, I can enter the term of the contract, so let's put in 1 year, and the value of the contract. Let's say that this is worth $2 million of work. Now I'm going to click in the Notes field and enter any notes that help me identify or remember what this contract is for. Sometimes when you have a lot of contracts with the same supplier, it's easier if you can send a reminder to the evaluator on what this work was for. The evaluator will see these notes when they log in. Now I'm going to select a supplier contact. I'm going to do that by clicking the orange arrow next to supplier contact. When I do that, a list of suppliers and contact persons with those suppliers will appear below. I can also use the scroll bar to look up and down this list to see if the supplier contact that I want is on this list. If not, I can go ahead and click the Create New Supplier Contact. This will allow me to enter the name of the person at the supplier, to enter in a supplier name, let's just call it XYZ, and to enter in the supplier contact person's email. This is an important piece of information because this is where the evaluation and scorecard will ultimately be sent. So it should be the project manager or your main contact at that supplier. I have two choices, save and add. Save will save this contact to my list, and save and add will save it to the list and add it to this contract. That's what I want in this case. So I clicked Save and Add. And I can see that it has put in my supplier contact for this particular contract. Now I clicked View Suppliers again if I realized that I needed to make some more information to this supplier I just added. So I can click Edit, and I can go back in and modify that supplier's name if I need to, and click Save.